Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you poem Keeping Quiet, which is written by Pablo Neruda. So in this poem the poet brings out the importance of quiet introspection. It can transfer not only the life of an individual but also the face of the earth. So here what the poet has described, what the poet has told to us, what message he wants to convey to us in this poem is that the importance of silence, that it can transform not only the life of an individual but also it can change the face of the earth, it can change the whole earth. The poet says that it does not need much time to look within and examine oneself. It will take only as long as it will take to count to 12. During this time of introspection, one should keep still and say nothing at all. It will give him a strange feeling of togetherness with all others. He will come out of all kinds of selfishness and cruelty. Thus, a man will win peace not only for himself but also for the world. There will be no wars and all men will live like brothers. So, he has taught us the importance of keeping silence, of keeping silence whenever we have to face any situation. Though it is difficult, but if if we keep silence, later on its consequences are always good. So it can bring togetherness, it can remove all kinds of feelings of selfishness, cruelty, and it brings peace not only for that person but for the whole world. There will be no wars, all men will live like brothers. So if there will be no wars and all men will live like brothers, and if we will control that situation, if we will handle that situation in a very tactful way, then there will be no wars, all men will live like brothers. The poet says that his advocacy of quietness and stillness should not be confused with total inactivity. What the poet wants to describe here is that if a person is remaining silent, he is not that does not mean his silence is his silence is just that should not be taken as like he is not involved in any kind of activity. In fact, what he says is concerned with life, not with death. Activity is the very essence of life. Inactivity is death. He says that whenever we keep on doing some kind of activity, it is the very essence of life, and when there is inactivity, it shows it indicates death. But for a fresh, better and useful activity, a little stillness and silence is must. So the poet illustrates his point by giving the example of the earth. In winter the earth becomes so still and silent. So here what the poet has given an example here, example of earth here, that when in winter the earth is still and silent, but in spring it becomes alive, and flowers, they start blooming, complete freshness in the atmosphere. It has new beauties and colors are added to it with flowers, they bloom, leaves, the green leaves, it adds beauty to the nature. Similarly, after a little stillness and silence, man can resume his activities in a fresh and better manner. So here the poet has described that if a person will remain silent for a few time, if he is inactive and keeping silence, later on it will make his life peaceful, and he can resume his activities, further his activities when he will do after keeping silence. His further activities will bring freshness and he will make his life better. So here description of the poem I am going to give in detail. The what the poet asks us to count to 12 and not to make any movement during this time. He asks us to stop for a second and not to move our arms even. So he inspires us. He says to us that he asks us to count to 12 and not to make any movement. So we should wait, and we should wait for the moment, and we should not we should wait for the exact time, and till the time that time for which we are waiting, we should remain silent, and we should stop at that time. We should not move our arms, we should not move till the exact accurate time comes. He says that by doing this, maybe that time we maybe feel uneasy, but we should not be in a hurry, or we should not feel any kind of worry. If we have complete silence, we shall suddenly feel a strange togetherness with all. After some time, definitely we will be, our feelings will change. We will be feeling we will be having a feeling of togetherness with all, and this quiet introspection, this will let everyone to come out from, and this the time for which we are waiting, and we have kept silence, and that time, maybe if we have not spoken anything to anyone, and if we have not said any ill words to anyone, the time that during that time when we are keeping silence, that time will calm down our friends also. That silence will calm down our friends also, and they will also come out from their greed, selfishness, and cruelty. Warmongers will give up their lust for war and start living like brothers, and that is the importance of silence. And if we keep silence if any critical situation comes, and that's in that situation, if we keep silence and remain inactive, and maybe that time will give others to think, and they will give up the thoughts of war, and maybe and this will give them also time to think, and they will also think, and they will also start living with us like brothers, if we pass no bad reaction towards them. The poet says that his advocacy of silence and stillness should not be confused with total inactivity. So the poet, what he wants to make clear, that if we are silent, that does not mean that is a symbol of our inactivity. In fact, he says that it is connected with life only. He says that our total activity means, he has described here life, and inactivity he has compared to death. As so, activity is the very essence of our life. So the poet says that a little stillness and silence leads us to better and fresh course of further activity. Without it, we shall never be able to understand ourselves, and then shall be as good as dead. So what he has described here, if we keep silence for a short span, then our next activities will give us better opportunities, will prove beneficial for us. Then after for a short span of silence, we will be again involved in activities, we will be again active, and that will improve our future, and that will give us better future, better opportunities, better relations. And the poet gives an example to show how this little stillness and silence can lead to a new and better life. He gives the example of this earth. To prove this thing, he has given the example of earth, that see, in winter how the earth is still and silent, and but in spring season, as the flowers bloom, as leaves they come out on we see leaves on trees, green leaves on trees. So like it with flowers and trees, they increase the beauty, of this earth. This increase the beauty of earth. It has beauties and colors added to it. So all these things adds like flowers, leaves of trees, all these things add beauty to this earth. So as the earth became alive in this spring season, similarly after a little stillness and silence of introspection, man can resume his activities in a fresh and better manner. So after keeping silence for a short span, for a short time, he can start again his activities, and that time when he will start activities, he will get better response from others, and maybe that time maybe that time will calm down him, and others also maybe others also will think about improving their relations, and this will be very helpful for their further life. It will make their life better. And I hope you students, you understood this poem, what the poet wants to convey in this poem. So thanks and have a nice day.